developer writes the scrapers, but due to the changes in the site structure, CSS change the regular expression. There are a lot of changes due to that. Need to write a scraper again and again. What if we can convert any website into developer-friendly API, so any developer can integrate in their front ends without worry about. They just notify two things: what the data need to collect and from which site. So they will get the return the JSON formatted data, which they can integrate in their front end. And not only that, in the background, the Web2 API also fetch the data by using the cron job specifically for every scraper. So let me just walk you through the demo. So let me extract the data of I just want to extract the startup news, author, and the author data. So how can I extract that? We just need to go to our platform, click create the news, write the titles for which you need to scrape. You can specify what data you need to collect and the URL. And there is a two way you can specify what data I need to collect in the data. You can provide the schema in what format they need to collect. So yeah, or every 24 hours. Currently, startup newspapers, you can go back. You can see there is a take run startup news. You can click on the run execution. You can change the URL what you want according to and after which time it should run. I specify after 6 minutes it should rerun in the background. So currently I'm manually running it. So basically it will run the scrapers, it will fetch the web page. What it will do, it will extract the data from the file crowd in the markdown format. That data we will send into the OpenAI create the structure output, and we are sending to the another event, which is storing in the cache or in the, you can say in the stat, and it will also handle the error. Yeah, we can see like it is extracted all the necessary information. You can verify like from the here. You can see, right? You can also get the metadata. And not only that, you can rerun also. And there is one interesting thing. You can click on the API endpoint. This is complete developer friendly experience. It will integrate in your front end. How? You just need to specify your URL scraper you created. You just need to specify the URL, and the response data schema is already created. You just need to hit the curl. You can integrate in your front end also. For now, I'm just demonstrating by running the curl command. So it is created the one job. You can check the job status by going through this URL. Job is completed. You can then call the results UI. That's how we use the Mosia Unified Backend, which is handling the creation of the API from job. And not only that, we are also integrated Firecrowd and the OpenAI. So let's walk you through the workbench. So it started from here, create scrapers. It will create the scrapers, and when you are running the scrapers, it will run from this like run scraper. It will fetch the data from this event. It will call the Firecrowd, and then it will send the data to the OpenAI GPT, which will create a structure JSON what the user is defined and storing the data. And you can also get the status and the results API by calling the results. You can get the results by calling the result API. And there is also one more interesting like scheduling jobs. It will run the schedulers what you time defined. Monitoring also run the scraping part in the background. It will update that content, and when you want to recall that API, you will get the updated data. And how Mosia is giving the user-friendly, developer-friendly experience. This is a very good platform in terms of it is something like it is reduced to entering the barrier of the backend sites, and it is all the functionality how I love about how it is giving the perfect like event-driven architectures, state management, API creation, cron job, and create the more scalable applications. So yeah, I also love about like how it is feasible to integrate or write the Python environment